Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer USDT from crypto.com to Onchain. So the very first thing that you need to do is just open your crypto.com, then go to your wallet at the bottom, the accounts, and then just tap on your crypto wallet. So from here, you just have to select your USDT, but so as you can see, I don't have USDT right here, but I'm just basically showing you the process, but I don't have the USDT. So you just have to click on USDT and then click on transfer. Once you click on that, you just have to tap on withdraw and then go ahead and tap on crypto.com or DeFi wallet. Now after that, you will see this message right here. So you just have to tap on confirm and withdraw. So from here, you just have to select the network. Make sure that you select the right network of your crypto. So since that is a USDT, you have to choose the right network for USDT. And then just type in here the amount of USDT that you want to send to your on-chain. And once you're done with that, just tap on send at the bottom. And then you will be seeing this, so you just have to check everything and make sure that everything or every details is correct. Once you're done with that, you just have to tap on confirm, and that's it. You have now sent your crypto or USDT to your on-chain wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.